DJI Agras T25 unboxing. Please watch the video for the answers of all questions.
Hi guys, this is Wana from RC Corner. Today we will share the updated feature of Agras T25 and its unboxing to see what item inside the box. Slowly. So now we open the box and let's have a look. The propeller is a black one. Okay, anyway, so let's have a look. The propeller holder, the same like Agras T50. It's very nice because many customers have a complaint about Agras T20. Of course, this is a great feature of Agras T20P, and they say the propeller holder is not nice, but now see it's very tight, so you don't have to worry in the transportation times or the damaging propeller and the items. And the next, you see the covers, the lower, the rear covers and the front cover. You just open the screw and you can do whatever like unplug or check the plug cables. This is much easier. I'm sure the technician will be very happy with Agras T25. And you see the M-lock, the same thing, is a two-step like Agras T50. So this make it very safe, and for the pilot, once you finish the job, you can easily open the lock. You don't have to struggle too much like before. And the tank, you see the tank compared to Agras T20P, the tank look taller. But you see, this is much more efficient and also very tight. And the pumps, as we all know, this is exactly like Agras T50, can give you the same features, 16 liters per minute. And the flow rate, the micrometer is 50 to 500 micrometers. You see everything, the protection for the protection for the plug are also exactly same like Agras T50. So I can tell you, this is exactly the replica of Agras T50, just a matter of the payloads is different. So anyhow, I will take it out and I will see more details. This is just first impression. Let's take it out. Wow. Okay, cool. So after my first look in the outside system, now I will closely look more details. Come with me. So you see covers and the radars, the terrain radars, no surprise. This Agras T25 is ready to operate even in the big slope of 50 degrees, even for fruit trees. Very reliable. You see you have the front radar, so we have a two. And also the antenna, when we look the antennas, not like before. We have an antenna here, two antenna here. The reason is we can install two additional nozzles for this sprinkler system. So that means if you want to achieve, you say 16 liters per minute is not enough because I'm for the fruit trees. You can go for up to 24 liters per minute with two additional nozzles. Of course, you have to buy separately. Next, we will have a look what item inside. First, the drone itself, and what about in the box? We need to have a look. Let's pick it up. So yeah, so we have a drone and remote controller box. But many customers and many salespeople and many customers, they say, what item in the remote controller box? This is mainly, the question, most common question. So we will just open the box together. So we have the box. Let's have a look. There we go. So for your information, I will recommend you to read this manual for sure, because this have different languages and it explains very detailed about your products, even some like a flying method, some regulation. I highly recommend. Most people, they forgot this, so don't just throw it, read it. So we have a manual book, and we have for the pilot, the belt, and this is the main thing. Most people, of course, the remote controllers. And inside, many people ask me like, where can I buy the tools? Actually, for normal user, you don't need to worry about the tools. We have the 2 Allen keys. Yeah, we have 1 more 3. So we have a 2.5 mm, 3 mm, and 4 mm. This is the main tools. Don't forget when you go to the farm. So okay, and also we have this spanner. Yeah, and also this is the 2. In the 2 we have a 3 Allen key and 1 spanner. And for the spare parts, we have a sealing ring. This is the main component you have to replace often. Okay, so especially after 100 hours of flights, it's already inside. And the gasket, propeller gasket, and some screw. So this is mainly the screw for the props. So because we already know, when you open the props, if you don't do it properly, it can easily damage. So we already have a spare parts. Yeah, don't forget this cable, mainly to connect with DJI Assistant 2 or any other tool to update the firmware, check the analysis. Use these DJI original cables and don't get losses. I've also, for the spray system, we have a hose net. Yeah, we have for the atomizer, we have more spares. Yeah, also gasket, sealing ring. So that is all what inside the box of the Agras T25. So now I will open I will unfold the arms. Really small. So but small but very powerful. So the main important thing when you buy the Agras T25, so remember the propellers, it is totally different. Like T15, T14, T20P, they have the same props in the upper propellers. But however, T25 is totally different propellers because it have like only 15 diameter and 18 screw pitch. So don't forget, don't buy the wrong propellers when you are buying the spare part for Agras T25. This is the front side, and as you see, we have a vision sensor, full bright lights, and cameras, antennas. So that's it for today unboxing of Agras T25. I hope you learned what item inside, what features come with the Agras T25. If you still have more questions, we are here to assist you with more reliable and more information. Bye bye. See you. Bye.